I gotta ask about Mandalorian season 2. You ready to start swinging that Darksaber around, or what?
I am. I really am. What can I say? I want to say that I've destroyed quite a few of them. And the prop guys are, wow, you go all in. And I sure do. The season's going to be really great. This is the ultimate, space western that's so connected to things that we don't know and don't see. Originally, George Lucas really had a mentor and a friend in Joseph Campbell. And Joseph Campbell's work was about myth, the power of myth, and the journey of the hero. Isn't every one of our journeys the journey of the hero? We have our own hurdles to jump over. We have our own visions in our head that we want to hit. I was thinking the other day about all the things in my life that I haven't done. And will I be disappointed at the end if I don't get to do every one of them? And I thought, what's the positive flip side of all of that? I've done so many of my visions and dreams that I've wanted to do, and if I miss one or two on the bucket list, I'm not going to be upset over that. But a lot of people haven't even checked off 1 or 2 or 3, and so Mandalorian is a film that's so steeped in myth and the hero's journey to overcome anything by adversity, to be in service to other people. I love this show. I really do. It's visionary in so many ways, and I'm happy to be a part of it.
I can't wait.
Yeah.
Come back.
Yes, indeed.